Hey guys, welcome back. I just got back from Trader Joe's, as you can see, so I wanted to give you a quick haul of what I got, and then I need to clean out my refrigerator. It is stuffed and messy, and I just want everything to be organized, so I'll show you what I got, and then I'll clean out my refrigerator. So I am currently starting a 6-week program with no dairy, no processed foods, just eating like healthy, clean eating. So I went and tried to get a lot of vegetables, fruits, and flowers, of course. So I'll start off, I got some zucchini, some Lara bars with no sugar in them, a bunch of cucumbers, they're nice as a snack or for a salad, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, some cherry tomatoes. I wanted to get some of the bigger tomatoes, but they didn't really have any. A couple of avocados, some yellow apples. I'm really excited about these. I don't remember the last time I've seen them like so yellow, so I'm really excited to have those. Some lettuce mix, some Brussels sprouts, green beans, baby carrots, organic hummus. I have some organic peanut butter, unsweetened applesauce. So all this really is apples, no sugar, nothing added. Some brown eggs, bread. Well, I can't really have bread, but this Ezekiel bread I can have. Pineapple, almond milk. What is this called? Oh, this is something new I'm excited to try. So it's called the Green Goddess. It's a salad dressing. All it has in here is avocados, green onions, lemon juice, chives, basil, and garlic. So hopefully that'll taste good. And some flowers. And let me show you what my refrigerator looks like. So it is a mess. I have some of a cake left over. We were with friends the other night, so we got a cake. And in that pot, I just have some soup left over. So either I'll finish that today, if not, then I'll pour it out. And yeah, everything's just kind of a mess. So I wanted to take as much out as I can, actually wipe it down, and reorganize everything. So here's the before. And here's the after. It looks so much better and organized. I'm so excited. All the veggies, well, most of them, and fruits are washed. So up here I have some apples. So I have some yellow apples, like the red apples and green apples. Here I have lemons and clementines. Eggs, back there is sour cream, which I won't be using for a while. Over here I have some carrots. These are a little bit foggy because I just washed them and put them in here. I have some washed raspberries, strawberries, and blueberries. Back there I have my lettuce mix bags. In here I have broccoli, cauliflower, and like a head of lettuce. In here I have like pie crust, these puff pastries, which again I won't be eating for a while, but I've had them, so I have those in the bin, and some hummus. Down here I have the regular milk for my husband, the almond milk. I have washed and cut up some red bell pepper, orange bell pepper. I have some green beans, and then back there are the Brussels sprouts. And down here I have like some of my canned vegetables, which my mom made, some applesauce, and some other canned or jarred items. Over here I have washed and cut up celery, And the cucumbers I still haven't washed, but I feel like I'll wash those when when I'm ready to eat them. And some zucchini. And down here is usually my bread drawer and then like my cheese drawer. And over here I just have bottled water and some other condiments. And same here. Oops. So that is all done. I love the feeling of a clean, organized refrigerator. I hope that gave you a little bit of motivation to clean and organize your refrigerator, or maybe you have other areas you've been wanting to do. I know I've been wanting to actually like clean the refrigerator for a while. I do try to empty it and go through every time I do go grocery shopping, just to make sure I don't have anything in the back that's going bad so it doesn't smell. But this time it felt good to really take everything out and wipe it down and kind of start fresh. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you all next time.